Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We have a huge haul video today for the shop. So I'm going to share all the stamps and goodies here. We're going to start off with cat scrappiness. So I wanted to show you the really cute little embellishments that I got. Ooh, and I'm getting some ideas here. Okay, so I just got an idea when I saw these. Okay, these are the Moonlight glow in the dark sprinkles. So there's little stars and moons. And then there's one that doesn't glow in the dark. They're yellow. And they're the moons are bigger. But I just saw these, and with the new rabbit hole designs released, look at this. Isn't that perfect? So this is a new stamp set from the rabbit hole, and this would make the most cutest shaker cards, especially with this glow-in-the-dark one, or just the regular one, but how cute. And then there's a little stamp here that says press here. If you wanted to create a light-up card for this, that would be super, super cool. I could do a double light-up card, have these glow-in-the-dark little bits in the background. And also they have this awesome paper that would go great with that stamp set as well. So I'm going to share the third item. We have this really pretty stencil, and it's like a corner stencil. And let's see, I forgot the name of this. You'll see it on the site if you go under stamps and then rabbit hole designs. So I have the new release at the top. So that's really pretty. And then I don't know if the camera cut off or not, but here is the paper that goes perfect with the stamp sets. And then these little shaker bits here would be so cute together. So to continue with the cat scrappiness, we've got love letter sprinkles and some yellow daisy sprinkles. So really cute. So these are perfect little envelopes with the little smiley face and hearts on them. Perfect to make for a shaker card for Happy Mail. And then these cute yellow daisies. Those are little clay embellishments, really cute. And then the mini Slimline dies. So I only have so many left here. These were going like hotcakes. I have the never ending one. So this is a really nice set. You have it in all these different sizes. And then we've got the zigzag. And then it also has stitching. And then we have the frames, so tri-frames. So perfect to make a shaker card. I love having little frames on my cards. And then this one's really pretty, the chevron. And I did make my very first mini Slimline shaker card with their distressed edge one. I do have that one in the shop as well. You can check out that video. I already gave the card to my mom, so I can't show you guys, but it was really fun to make that size. And then they have some Slimline paper. So look how beautiful these colors are. We have the brights, and then we have the jewel tones. Okay, and there is some neutral colors in there as well on both of these. So you get brights and some neutrals. We have Whimsy, we have LDRS, we have Darcy's. Let me do the LDRS because I don't have many here. This is what I have left from the release, and they have 3 new Slimline dies that are beautiful. I only have, I think, one of each of these and a few of these. Floral Foliage Slimline. I did get more of these because I thought this one was really beautiful. I thought this one would sell really good. The inside comes out, so you can use the outside frame without the inside. So if you didn't want to make a card with, you know, the foliage, and you just wanted this little X pattern as a card base, you can do that. So I love that. And then all these other pieces come out, and you don't have to cut them apart. They're already cut apart, which is really nice. And there's just flowers, you've got a dragonfly, all this foliage. I thought this was beautiful. And then this honeycomb die is really pretty. It cuts out the honeycombs, but in some of the areas it cuts out little different shapes. So I thought that was really cool. And then the trellis cover plate. So I think this one's going to be really pretty once you pop out all the squares. It's going to look really intricate. And then there's two stamp sets that I have. Snapdragon, so we get that really pretty flower, little ladybugs, and then the sentiments. Hello, you've been on my mind, sweet friend, sending love, and I miss you. And I do have the die for that. And then this is super adorable, Berry Hoppy, it's called, and it's their cute little bear, just like their other cute little bear stamp that they came out with. And look at his little nose, his little heart. There's little bunnies in here, and birds, and the bike, and then the die here to cut out all the images. Just super cute. Look, you're a cutie pie. You make me very happy and be happy. So cute. And then for Whimsy, this one's not Whimsy, but this is Hero Arts. I have this one that I forgot to show before. This is a tree with books. So that's a nice little die set. From the Greeting Farm, I forgot I have these two left. We have the Mermaid Fun and Lift Couple. So really fun for your summer cards. You get some little mermaids in there. And then we've got the two here, the two little cute couple, and then the Sentiment Needle Lift, and then the little paper airplanes. Okay, for Whimsy, I have two stamps here with gnomes on them. This is like a Get Well theme. We got Get Well Soon, Under the Weather, Sunny Days, Wishing You, Speedy Recovery, Thinking of You, and then there's a letter A there. So really cute little gnomes. And this one's like a Friends theme. Friends no matter what, alone no more, you gnome so well, peace, joyful, forever friends. Okay, so there are some Slimline embossing folders. I love that. So add a little bit of texture to your Slimline cards. Look at that, so cool. This one's perfect for summer cards. We have two Slimline paper pads. So we've got a dog pattern one and then a cat pattern one. Now the patterns are bigger than what the cover shows. So let me give you a little sneak peek in there so you can see the patterns better. See, really, let's focus on there. Let's see, the patterns are really cute. Oh, look at that cow one. So really cute. And then they got the cat one. So let's take a quick peek. So cute. I wish it would focus better. So really nice patterns. Black and white, I love that. This is awesome. This is Glorious Sky. I only have one left. Really cute, like realistic sky backgrounds. Look at that. Let me give you a peek so you can see what the full size looks like. Ooh, look at that. Wow, really pretty. Hey, if you didn't want to color in a background with your Copics, use that paper. Same with this one. So this is pretty realistic and it's got beautiful flowers. Look at the backgrounds with the clouds. That is really pretty as well. Let me take a look in here. Ooh, look at that. Nice, pretty florals. Very, very pretty. Okay, so for the dies, there's a pocket slimline die. So this creates a pocket, will fit on your slimline card. You could use it without your slimline card and just use it as a pocket. It'll fit on another, it looks like it'll fit on an A2 size card as well. And there's some accessories in there, so that is cute. This Slimline Envelope Die Set, I only have one left. Really cute. It also cuts out a panel to decorate the inside of your envelope, which I love. So really, really nice die. Only one left. Love that this can decorate the inside. Makes it really easy. And then this is really cute. This is the new Slimline die with the clouds on it. It's connected to the frame. You get a nice thick frame. There's stitching on the clouds, and then you also get these other clouds that you cut apart. So these two here are not attached to the die, so you can have extra clouds to layer around or use them on a different card. Like if you were making an A2 size card, you got some clouds. So those are like perfect little size clouds. And then this one is for your slimline cards. We've got zigzags with stitching in different designs, so you get 3 of them. And now I have some Darcy stamps. So these are the tin pins that go with the new stamp sets. So it's a garden theme release. So we've got these 2 cute little bugs. Their little backs are like rainbows. This is called Snailed It. We've got well done, you snailed it. This too shall pass. It says, maybe not as speedily as you want, but it will pass. Enjoy every little thing on your special day. And then we've got a Hedgehog Garden. So the cute little hedgehog, and then your gardening accessories. You're always there through my trials and tribulations. Home is where my plants are. And then we've got Turn Up the Beat. So you get 3 vegetables and the sentiments. Mom, you are unbeatable. It's your day. Turn up the beat. I love you from my head to tomatoes. And then we've got Dad, we're rooting for you. And then there is a background, a little garden scene background, and then you can have your little vegetables popped up on the front here, and have that in the little background. Really cute. That's called the garden scene. Last but not least, we've got our new release. So this is from the Lazy Day box. You can now get the stamp sets. These stamps are now available as individually sold, so you can grab the stamp sets. We have lots of inspiration on these stamp sets, so the design team is designing with these all month, so check out the YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Every time you hit that like button, it helps out the channel. It helps get the algorithm going to push out the video. So I really need some help with that, guys. So hit that like button for me. And I'll have all the links down below in the description box for you. Thank you so much for coming by. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. And I hope to see you guys real soon. Take care.